City Wheels.
Darn it!
The city is hosting the exhibition, the most unusual and expensive pictures of the world. But you must hurry, because after 3 days, the gallery will be closed for repairs, and the paintings will leave for another city.
Not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, interesting. There it is. Wondrous. Beautiful. It should be hanging in my office. That's it. I've got it. Remember, Snake. Time is limited. 2 days from now, the gallery is closed. So hurry up.
Yes, boss, I'll try.
Bring me that picture, Snake. No surprises. And another thing. After the theft, the picture must be hidden in a secluded place for a few days.
Huh?
It is very expensive. Everyone will talk about it. The police will look for it. So hide it and don't show up. I will find you.
Okay, boss.
Why are you standing around? Do the job! Now, get out of here! What? That's a different story, Snake.
I'm so tired of patrolling. I'm worn out. Oh, now I'll get to go home. Lie down in front of the TV with a glass of gas cocktail.
Oh, even the traffic lights are against me.
Red again. Wow, still small, but so loud. He lost his mind, throwing garbage on the streets. Spoiling the asphalt, that's against the law. So, what was I dreaming about there? Old TV, cocktail.
Alarm disabled. All I have to do is drive into the hall and replace the picture with a fake. I need you. Something like that. All I have to do is hide this picture for a couple days, and that's it. It's done. Boss will be pleased.
What a daring robbery. You won't say anything.
Let's hope these tire prints are in the database. If so, we can find the thief.
Yes, we need to photograph them. And this crumpled jar. Take a photo of this, too. The police station.
Of the prints in the database, no matches.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Barry, you scared me. What do you want?
Wow! Is this from the crime scene?
Yes, from the scene. Barry, don't bother me right now. I'm so exhausted.
Don't bother me, Barry. I'm so exhausted. But I know those tracks are there. And I saw the can. But okay, I'm leaving.
Do you know those tracks? Barry, I'm sorry. Rough day. Sorry. Please tell us about the tracks and about the can.
At the crossroads, this small yellow car was idling so loud and threw the same can. I could recognize him from anywhere.
Great, Barry. Well done.
Well done.
So, we are looking for a yellow car, a small one. We are combing the area near the traffic lights where Barry saw him. We hope we can get lucky. Get in touch.
So far, nothing suspicious. I'll continue to be on the lookout. Over.
Everything clean here, too. Continuing the search. Barry, over. What do you have? Barry?
How old is this? All rusted. I wouldn't want to be in her place.
Barry, over.
What? I'm here. Got nobody yet. There he is. Looks like he's headed for the old gas station.
Don't let him get away. We'll be right there. Stop immediately.
And why did I have to take it out of cover today? Oh, nothing would have happened to this picture. I could have kept it in the barn for a couple more days. When it comes to fear, I have no memory of it. I almost forgot. I have an old hiding place here.
We must look for another way. We won't get in there.
I swear, I just heard him laughing. Like he dropped off the earth.
Let's go back to the gas station. He didn't just go there.
Thank goodness the picture is fine. It'll be back hanging in the gallery by today.
Yes, the robbery failed, but the criminal is still free.
Guard, we will find him.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Fire City Wheels! Guys, did you like the cartoon? Then please click like under this video. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell. New cartoons on Fire City Wheels coming soon. See you!